let's have a room check at Ilion Beach Hotel in Gerani on Crete Island, close to Hania. Let's go. Okay, this is the room. I arrived yesterday. The flight was just before midnight that arrived, and I have had a nice sleep, I would say, as this is my room. Or should I say apartment, more specifically. I'm not sure why the door didn't close. I'm gonna check that later. But let's have a tour of the apartment. Here is the kitchen. As you can see, that's the first thing you enter. There is a fridge, and there is everything you need to eat in the apartment. Even glasses and everything. Lots of storage stuff. There is a water kettle, a microwave that... Oh, this is not a microwave. This is a oven. And there is a bread roast and coffee machine, and even something for frying as well. Let's see if there is a... Oh, there is also for ice cream, which is good. That is that was the kitchen. Now we take a look at the bathroom. There is shower gel and soap, obviously, and towels. And yes, I didn't mention that this is a 4-star hotel, and it's important to note that you need to pay 10 euros per night per apartment for environmental tax. So for 7 nights, for me it is 70 euros, which is an extra cost added to the arrangement that I have traveling with. I'm traveling with the Vink again, and I paid 2,400 Swedish crowns for flight and 7 nights here. That is around 230 euros. If we add those 70 euros, it comes to 300 euros. But bear in mind, I am staying alone, and I have 2 double beds. So this is the first bed on the bottom floor, and there is one more in the etage that we're gonna check later. Here we have storage capacity and a safe deposit box. So yeah, lots and lots of storage capabilities. And there is also information about the passport of the Wi-Fi and other stuff. There is a TV, and there is a beach/pool towel also, apart from the ordinary towel for the bathroom. And now we go into the living room/dining room, and yeah, the sea view is amazing. And here we are at the balcony. There we have the pool, and there's the sea. So it's said that it is a limited sea view, but I can see the view fully. And this is how the apartment looks like from the balcony. It's a very nice view, I'm not gonna lie. So Gerani is close to Platanias and Agia Marina, which are more famous tourist cities here on the Crete island on the coast of Hania. 2 years ago I was staying at Agia Marina, which is around 4 kilometers away from here, or maybe 5. But now I chosen to come back again. I don't know why. Maybe because it was a very good price. But let's check also the upper part of the apartment as we go up the stairs. So I was deciding where should I sleep, below or up, and I chosen up because from here you have sea view when you lay down. You see that? So it was so amazing. And look at the height in this. We have these 3 elements above. There is also a working space here to work. More storage capabilities. These were the pillows that were over. I always put them away. And there is another bathroom here as well. Another bathroom, complete bathroom. This one smelled a bit different, I would say, so I opened the window. Not sure why. Maybe because it was raining yesterday all day, even when we arrived. And there are 2 ACs, so there is one AC over there and another one over there. Yeah, it's so nice view here, sleeping and looking directly at the sea. It's definitely something. Today is Sunday, 26th of April, and we are obviously still off season, and there will be nobody at the beach when I will go now. But first I will have my coffee here, and yeah, there is breakfast also here at the hotel, but it costs 12 euros per person. That is a lot. For that amount of money I can eat 2 weeks breakfast. So I refuse to pay that much for breakfast. So yeah, that is a wrap from Ilion Hotel. There is also a gym in the hotel, and there is lots of information here as well. The pool, the sunbeds by the pool are for free, and the sunbeds at the sea you need to pay, I think it's 8 euros per sunbed, which is a ripoff. Cool, that is a wrap then from Ilion Beach Hotel and the walkthrough of my apartment 209. And yeah, let's have one last look at the sea. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris.